Welcome back to Intelligent Bishop. If you are new to this channel, do check out our videos based on chess basics for beginners, top 5 chess sites, how to write chess moves, how to win chess in just 7 moves, then the most evergreen chess game in this history. Then we also have opening related videos like Geico Piano. We also have middle game improving videos. We also have videos based on endgame. We also have chess videos based on the top players like Ding Liren, Magnus Carlsen, Hikaru, Vishy Anand. Do check all these videos, link in the description, guys. Welcome to the part 2 of Let's Play Chess, and today we are gonna play Blitz match again, and let's see what happens. Let's try to learn few things. So we are waiting for an opponent to be matched. As you can see over here, it's just finding. Let's open the focus mode. E4, E5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, standard Geico piano, c3. Let's go for open Geico piano. Let's do this, guys. d4, bishop b4 check, knight c3, knight takes e4 will be played probably, because this knight is in pin. I cannot take this. So now castle. This is just an opening theory. Everyone knows it. d5. This is the molar attack which I like. There are many possibilities, but I like this one. Knight e7 is the theory move. Rook takes e4, d6. Bishop g5. Takes h6. We need to take the knight. And now this is known as a battery. 3 major pieces are on the open file, but bishop e6. Now f6 will be played. Now rook e3. This I have played for many times in my games. Rook h3, just challenging this rook. If he takes, pawn takes. Now there is a threat of queen h5, so g6 should be played. Queen f3, attacking this pawn. f5 should be played. Okay, queen a5 is another option, attacking my rook. So let's play rook d1, attacking this pawn as well as attacking this pawn. Queen e5 is the natural move. Let's see if he finds it. Okay, he finds it. b4 now, planning for b5. d5, simply bishop b3. If he takes this, I am having b5. Just creating lot of weaknesses in his position. He can also castle right now. Yeah, he castles b5 now. If he takes, the pawn structure is little bit bad for him. So I don't know if he will take or not. But he should take this pawn according to me. Let's see what he does. If he takes, okay, he takes as expected. Now pawn takes pawn, queen d3. Eyeing for this square. Now my next plan will be also rook c1, attacking on this weak point. This pawn is well defended. Nothing is happening on my queen side. Bishop a4, attacking this pawn, as well as planning queen a6 and rook b1 threat. Basically, in this opening, I have compensation for 2 pawns which are extra with black, and that is the king safety. So his king is not that safe compared to mine. Queen c3. Looking at both the points, rook e1 is also threatened and this pawn is also guarded, so looks like a good move. Rook e1 is my next idea. Let's see how he counters it. Maybe knight f5 will be played, but this pawn is under very much pressure right now. But there are 3 attacks and 3 defense, so right now I cannot take, but he has to stay alert. Okay, he plays queen f5, I don't know why. Now I'll simply attack the rook, attack the knight on e7. If the knight moves, then bishop takes c6 immediately, because there are 2 attackers and 2 defenders. If one of the defenders gets out, then I can simply grab this pawn for free. Let's see what he does now, how he defends it. Maybe king d7, king e7 moves will be played, but now I am having queen c5, or even better queen e3. Let's see which suits us more. If queen e3, then queen e4 is played. I don't want to give him this chance. Let's play queen c5, attacking his knight. Now his knight has to move either on c8 or g8. Then we will be successful in getting entry to this f8 square, which is my dream right now. Also, he's down on time. You can see he's having 57. I'm having 2 complete minutes. Queen f8. Now queen e8 is the threat. He has to defend somehow. If knight d6 is played, then rook e7 is a checkmate. You can see my king is way safer than his king. Rook b2. Okay, he's targeting my f7. Now I should find the checkmate. Now there is a checkmate. I don't know how, but yes, there is something. Okay, now it's time to calculate. I can take draw whenever I want by repeating these checks. Only the weakness is this. Okay, this check, king d6. Oh no, queen c7 he's having that, so let's go queen c5, defending this, attacking on this point. Again rook b6 probably, because he has to save this pawn, otherwise there is checkmate. I have also defended. Oh, he takes. Oh my god, that's a blunder. Now there is a checkmate. King d8, and now rook e8 is a checkmate. He blundered. He didn't see that this c6 pawn was hanging. Oh my god, 18 seconds. Oh, he resigned. He has resigned the game. Let's see the statistics. 1 mistake, 0 blunders, 0 missed wins. Let's analyze what happened. e4, e5, okay. Everything is good. Everything seems to be good till here. See, these are all bookish moves. Means this is just a theory, as the computer suggests. Rook takes d6, bishop g5 takes h6. h6 is the best move. Queen e2. See, this is also best move. Now this is inaccuracy. Bishop b3 was best. Okay, next time I will remember. Rook e3. See this move, which I always make in my games. I have played in this position so many times, and rook e3 is the excellent move as suggested. Rook h3 is again an excellent move. Takes. g6, queen f3. Queen f3 is a good move, but bishop d3 was best. Okay, next time I'll remember. b4 is the best move in this position. b5. See, I'm not playing too bad. I'm already playing best and excellent moves. Again, queen d3 is an excellent move. Rook d7, bishop a4 is again excellent. Both are making excellent moves. I guess, yeah, this is also an excellent move. I guess the only mistake was that, yeah, look at this, double question mark, and mating 2 arrives immediately. Queen takes c6 check, and he resigns. I'll show you just if king d8, it is forced move, then rook e8 is a checkmate. That's why he's resigned. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the part 2 of Let's Play Chess, and if you have not seen the part 1, do visit part 1. Thanks for watching.